since we're planning on turning this investment property into a long-term unfurnished rental, it's important to us from a safety perspective to make sure we have a nice pool fence around our in-ground pool. So we were lucky when we purchased this house, it already had a fence. However, as you can see, along the bottom here, you'll notice it's pretty rusted out. The paint is old, it's kind of jagged and rough. But to put a whole new pool fence in is pretty expensive. And we've decided we wanted to spend the majority of our budget on kitchen, bathrooms, and flooring, since that's what typically is driving a tenant's decision on where they want to rent. But can't leave the fence looking like this. So we've actually hired someone that's gonna come in, they're gonna sand down the entire fence, they're gonna prime it for us, and then they're going to repaint it to make it look as close to new as we can within our budget. We're also going to be updating the pool as far as the pool equipment goes by building a fence around that, so that way when you're out here enjoying the sun in Arizona, enjoying the pool, you don't have to look at the actual equipment that's keeping your pool clean. So the process of actually sanding down and painting the fence, as well as building the additional fence around the equipment, should really only take 6-7 days. It's a pretty quick and inexpensive process. So keep following along with me, and I'll make sure to show you both the before, after, and final cost of what this transformation is.